There are 6 sides of 3x3 Rubik cube. The centerpiece color of all sides doesn't change no matter how much you mix up the cube. It has 3 layers. The bottom layer is called first layer, middle layer is called second layer, and third layer is called last layer. It has 3 main parts: centers, corners, and edges. Each side can be rotated clockwise or anti-clockwise like this. Can be turned single or double. These 12 moves are noted down in letters that stand for 190-degree rotation. Note: no apostrophe means the cube will rotate clockwise 90 degrees like this. An apostrophe means the cube will rotate anti-clockwise 90 degrees. R right, rotate clockwise. R apostrophe, rotate anti-clockwise. L left, rotate clockwise. L apostrophe, rotate anti-clockwise. U up, rotate clockwise. U apostrophe, rotate anti-clockwise. D down, rotate clockwise. D apostrophe, rotate anti-clockwise. F front, rotate clockwise. F apostrophe, rotate anti-clockwise. B back, rotate clockwise. B apostrophe, rotate anti-clockwise. R2 right, rotate clockwise 2 times. L2 left, rotate clockwise 2 times. U2 up, rotate clockwise 2 times. D2 down, rotate clockwise 2 times. F2 front, rotate clockwise 2 times. B2 back, rotate clockwise 2 times. R apostrophe, rotate anti-clockwise. D apostrophe, rotate anti-clockwise. R rotate clockwise. D rotate clockwise. U rotate clockwise. R rotate clockwise. U apostrophe, rotate anti-clockwise. R apostrophe, rotate anti-clockwise. U apostrophe, rotate anti-clockwise. L apostrophe, rotate anti-clockwise. U rotate clockwise. L rotate clockwise. D rotate clockwise. L apostrophe, rotate anti-clockwise. D apostrophe, rotate anti-clockwise. making a plus sign on top of it. To complete this task, deal with the center and the edge pieces of it. For example, make a green color plus sign. Assign all the green color edge pieces on the top so that it should make a plus sign on the top. Assign the corner green pieces so that the first layer can be completed. Bring the green color corner pieces in the alignment and perform this algorithm. R''D''RD. Repeat this step unless green color piece is placed properly. To complete the middle layer again, deal with the edge pieces. Note, the blue center piece will not be placed in the middle layer. The edge pieces in the top will get to the right of the middle layer or the left of the middle layer. Left side algorithm. U''L'', U, L, U, F, U, apostrophe, F, apostrophe. Right side algorithm. U, R, U, apostrophe, R, apostrophe, U, apostrophe, F, apostrophe, U, F, like this. Left side algorithm. U'', L'', U, L, U, F, U, apostrophe, F, apostrophe, like this. Left side algorithm. U'', L'', U, L, U, F, U, apostrophe, F, apostrophe, like this. It is also called the last layer. To solve it, make a plus sign on the third layer. Most important part. There will be 4 cases possible to make a plus sign on the third layer. Check if there is already plus sign on the top. Perform this algorithm so that the adjacent color matches the top layer. R, U, R, apostrophe, U, R, U, 2, R, apostrophe, U. Repeat it unless you get your Rubik cube like this. Case 2. If there is no plus sign on the top, then there is a possibility that there will be a straight line like this. If yes, then turn the straight line. Perform this algorithm. F, R, U, R, apostrophe, U, apostrophe, F, apostrophe. If no, jump to case 3. If there is no straight line, then there could be just 3 pieces or more. Find 3 pieces that will make a L. If yes, then turn the cube so that L should look opposite. Perform this algorithm. F R U R apostrophe U apostrophe F apostrophe. If no, jump to case 4. This is the last possibility that there will be only one color facing to the top. F R U R apostrophe U apostrophe F apostrophe. Repeat at tuneless and until there gets the plus sign on the top. Align the corner pieces together. If corner pieces are already in place, just align it together so that it matches the top and the adjacent colors. If no, perform the algorithm. U R U apostrophe L apostrophe U R apostrophe U apostrophe L. Until it matches the corner pieces. Now only the third layer corner pieces are left. Just apply this algorithm. R apostrophe D apostrophe R D